We'll guide you through how to calculate percentages in Google Sheets. Here we are in Google Sheets. To calculate a percentage, first click in the cell where you want the percentage result to appear. Now type an equals sign, since we're going to use a formula. Next, click on the first number. Then type a /, which is the division symbol. After that, click on the second number. So the formula will look something like this: equals A2/B2. Now press enter. You'll see a decimal value appear in the cell. To convert this into a percentage, select the cell. At the top of Google Sheets, click on the percentage button in the toolbar. The result will now be displayed as a percentage. If you want to use the same formula for multiple rows, move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell until you see a small square. Click and hold, then drag downward. Google Sheets will automatically copy the formula to the other cells and calculate the percentages for each row. And that's it. You've successfully calculated percentages in Google Sheets. If you found this useful and want to see more Google Sheets tutorials, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video.